back to the King Tony workshop. Now, has this ever happened to you? You need to change a hose on your car, you pop open the hood, only to find that there's so many different styles, sizes of hose clamps? Which one do you need? I don't know. Because there's so many different hose clamps, there's also so many different kinds of pliers as well. So an easy, simple solution for you to keep everything organized is right here. So here it is, your simple, easy solution, the hose clamp pliers set. With the easy to carry, reinforced blow case, you'll never be without the pliers that you need. So let's check out a couple and see how to use them. So there it is, your simple storage solution in a nice, easy to carry box. So be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment or question below, and we'll see you next time.